Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach you how to upload texture by using V5 Plus version. Okay, so first you go to your login page where you have this one. Okay, and then you go to your profile and then you go to product. Okay, and then when you see this, okay, make sure you are under product management. Okay, and then you go to classification management and then go to store category. Okay, so we have model and texture. So since we want to make to upload texture, so we choose texture and then you add category. Okay, so let's say here I just want to try test upload. The category I will just put naming for test upload and then you click save. Okay, so you can see here I have the category name of test upload. Alright, so now after you put naming, you go to material management on your left, go to material management and then you go to store material. Okay, remember we want to upload texture, right? So here we have model, so just click to texture. Okay, so you can see the naming of your that you want to put as for category just now. Alright, so now I want to upload one material, so go to create material, and then under finish product we have texture mapping. Okay, so click to texture mapping. Okay, so we have single upload or batch upload. What is the difference between these two is single upload is only one material, while batch upload you can upload more than one material at one time. Okay, so here we have written here no more than 100 per time. Okay, alright, so I just show you by using single upload. Okay, so go to material properties. So you choose to the material, we have old version material and also new version. So I'm going to use new material. So the material I'm going to use today is wood. Let's click wood. And then I go to solid wood and change to 0.7 made solid wood. Okay, this one is depend on you. If you want to use glass, then you use glass. If you want to use paint, then use paint. Okay, this one is just for your reference. I'm going to use wood. So I'm using 0.7 made solid wood. Okay, and then after you put material properties, you can upload your texture. So here I'm going to use this wood. Okay, so you can see from here the uploaded texture. Okay, and then for the render scene, I click here as I want to upload wood. I put it as for wood. Okay, again depends on your material. If you want to use glass, then you put glass. If you want to use paint, then you put paint. Okay, I'm using wood. And then you can see from here you can put naming to your texture just now. If you have your own naming, then you can rename the name as how you want. And then you can put the sizing of width and height. Okay, you can adjust the width and height for the sizing. And then the last one is you can put category, where we have made a category just now. So I'm just going to use test upload. Okay, so after you set everything, you just click release. Okay, so you have successfully published the footage. So you just click confirm. Okay, and then you just click cross everything. So you can see from here, if you want to test out the uploaded texture just now, you can click to the category and then you can see. So this is the test upload that I'm using for wood. Okay, So to test out the texture in Aihouse, you can go back to your login page. Okay, we go to start designing. Okay, after you upload just now, to test out, you can use any function. Let's say I'm using system cabinet. Okay, so I take out one universal cabinet. Okay, and then I click to carcass, and then I want to change the material. Okay, change material, and then you go to store library. So you choose to the category that you want that you did just now. So here I'm just going to use the test upload wood. Double click, so you can see the carcass has changed to the new material. Alright. Alright, so another way for you to put texture to your cabinet, let's say you have another one, a universal cabinet. Okay, and then you go up from the custom function, but this time you can go from here. This is store library. Okay, under store library you have this function here where you can go to texture where you upload just now the material. I upload it to test upload, right? So I can just drag and drop to my cabinet. So the texture will change as well. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you.